Hi students, continuation video 3D coordinate system. Okay, the transformed equation of 2x square minus 3y square plus z square plus 4x plus 6y minus 4z minus 2 is equal to 0 when the axes are translated to the point minus 1 comma 1 comma 2 is okay. Now here, now already change of axis to this topic, but that is two-dimensional and this is three-dimensional. Okay, now transform the equation, find out చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. Now small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k and small equal to capital Z plus L, that is equal to capital X plus h means 1 or translated to the point. Okay, now minus 1 and this is equal to capital Y plus 1 and this is equal to capital Z plus 2. Now substitute the small x, small y, small z values in this equation. Now here 2 into capital X minus 1 whole square plus minus 3 into capital Y plus 1 whole square plus 4 plus z plus 2 whole square plus 4 into capital X minus 1 plus 6 into capital Y plus 1 minus 4 into capital Z plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now then we get the equation is 2x square minus 3y square plus z square is equal to 5. Now simplify the equation, then we get the answer is 2x square minus 3y square plus z square is equal to 5. Now see the options in our material. Second option. Okay, now here option is 2x square minus 3y square plus 3 square is equal to 5. Okay, write down. Radius, the circumradius of the triangle formed by the points 1 comma 2 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 3 comma 1 and minus 3 comma 1 comma 2 is. Now here first option is root 14 and the second option is 14, third option is root 13, fourth option is 0. Now here the triangle formed by the given points, the triangle formed by the given points is an equilateral triangle. Now therefore circumradius is equal to AG, where G is centroid. Now find out G. Now G is equal to something 1 plus 2 minus 3 by 3 and 2 minus 3 plus 1 by 3 and minus 3 plus 1 plus 2 by 3. Now here the centroid is 0 comma 0 comma 0. This is AG is equal to distance between this and A and centroid. Now here G is 0 comma 0 comma 0 and this is the point A 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now the distance A and G. Now here 1 plus 4 plus 9 and this is root 14. Now the circumradius is root 14. Now the answer is root 14, the first option. Okay, write down. Angle in the right angle ABC, the right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. A is equal to 2 comma 5 comma 1. B is equal to 1 comma 4 comma minus 3, and C is equal to minus 2 comma 7 comma minus 3. If point P comma S comma R, that means circumcenter, orthocenter, circumcenter and radius. Orthocenter P and circumcenter S and orthocenter and circumradius is R. Circumcenter, orthocenter and the circumcenter and capital R is circumradius. Capital R is circumradius of triangle ABC. Then R plus Py is equal to point of y coordinate. Okay, is equal to, now first option is 7, second option is 10, third option is 8, fourth option is 13. The most very important bit. Now the orthocenter is equal to P. Orthocenter is equal to P. Now the angle between angle B is 90 degree. Now this is orthocenter P is equal to P. That means orthocenter is B is equal to 1 comma 4 comma minus 3. Now here circumradius is R is equal to AC by 2. Now the circumradius angle B is 90 degree. Now the orthocenter is 1 comma 4 comma minus 3 and the circumradius is AC by 2. Okay, circumradius is AC by 2. Okay, now here distance between AC. Now here distance between AC is equal to root of 2 minus of minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus 7, that is minus 2 whole square, and this is 1 minus of minus 1 plus 3, 4 whole square. Now here 16 plus 4 plus 16, 32, 36, this is root 6, sorry, root 36, this is 6. Now here circumradius AC by 2 is equal to 6 by 2, this is 3. Now the circumradius is 3. Now here R value is 3. Now the point of y coordinate, that is point of y coordinate means P is equal to, this is y coordinate, point of y, this is 4. Therefore R plus Py, that means point of the y coordinate is equal to, now here R value is 3 plus the point of y coordinate is 4. This is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now the answer is first option. So option is 7. Okay, write down. Triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, if AB is equal to root 2, comma, AC is equal to root 20, AC is equal to root 20, B is equal to 3 comma 2 comma 0, and C is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 4, then the length of the median passing through A, the length of the median passing through A is, now first option is 3 by 2, second option is 9 by 2, third option is 3 by root 2, fourth option is root 3 by 2. Now this is now here draw the triangle ABC, and this is ABC, and this is ABC with the median AD. Now here D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. Now here D is equal to midpoint of BC. This is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, comma z1 plus z2 by 2. Okay. Now, and this is that AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 into AD square plus DC square. Now, here AB is root 2, AC is root 20, and AD is through the median AD, through the median A. Now this is AD square. Now find out the AD value. Okay. Now DC. Where is DC? D is D coordinate is 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 2, and C is 0, 1, 0. Now the distance between DC is equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square, and this is 4 minus 2 whole square. Now here 9 by 4 plus 2 answer 2 minus 3, 1 by 4 plus 2, 9 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 10 by 4, 10 by 4 plus 2, 10 by 4 plus 2. Now this is 5 by 2, and this is equal to 5 by 2 plus 2, and this is 9 by 4, and this is 3 by root 2, 9 by 4, and this is 3 by 2. Okay, sorry, 9 by 2, and this is 3 by root 2. Only DC value. And now the property is AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 into AD square plus DC square. Here AB is root 2 whole square, that means 2, plus AC square is root 2. AC is root 20, AC square is 20, is equal to 2 into AD square plus, where is DC square, and this is 9 by 2. Okay. Now here 22 is equal to 2 into AD square plus 22 to 11 times 11 minus 9 by 2 is equal to AD square. Now 11 to 22 minus 2 by 2, 9 by 2 is equal to AD square, and this is 13, 9, 4 minus 2 whole square is 4 minus 2, 2 square, 4. Now here this is 4, 4 to 8, this is 4, and this is 4 to 8, 8 plus 5, 13 by 2. Now here 13 by 2, and this is 13 by 2. Now this is 13 by 2, and this is 13. So now 13 by 2 is 9 by 2, which is equal to AD square. Now square it వచ్చేసి 3 by root 2 is equal to AD. Now through the median A, length of the median through the AD is 3 by root 2. Now here option is third one. Okay, 3 by root 2. Now I repeat, D is the midpoint of BC. Now this is D is the midpoint of BC. This is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2. Another property, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 into AD square plus DC square. Now through the median A. Okay. Now this is distance between B and C. Okay. Now this is the DC value is root 13 by 2. Okay. Now here substitute the lengths of these values in this property. Okay. AB square is 2, AC square is 20 is equal to 2 into AD square plus DC square. Where is DC? Root 13 by 2. That means DC square is 13 by 2. Now 20 to 11 times minus 13 by 2. This is 9 by 2. This is AD is 3 by root 2. Okay. This is most very important bit. Next, MSET previous year questions. Okay, continuation video. Extremities. The extremities of a diagonal. The extremities of a diagonal of a square are 1 comma minus 2 comma 3, 2 comma minus 3 comma 5. Then the length of the side, the length of its side is Now here first option is root 6, second option is root 3, third option is root 5, and fourth option is root 7. Now this is square. Now the diagonal is, now the side of the square is x is equal to length of the diagonal d by root 2, where d is the length of the diagonal. Okay, length of the diagonal. Now this is what is the length of the diagonal? B 1 comma minus 2 comma 3, and this is 2 comma minus 3 comma 5. Now the distance between the diagonal. Now root of 1 minus 2 whole square is 1, plus minus 2 plus 3, this is 1, and 3 minus 5, this is 4, this is root 6. Now the side length of this side is x is equal to d by root 2, and this is root 6 by root 2, that means root 6 by 2, this is 3 times. Now here root 3. Now the length of this side of this square is root 3. Now the second option. Okay, write down. Plus 13z is equal to 3003 meets the coordinate axis in a comma b comma c, then the centroid of the triangle ABC is, now the first option 143 comma 91 comma 77. Now here the centroid of triangle in the plane meets the coordinate axis. Now here the plane is 7x plus 11y plus 13z is equal to 3003. Now the first option is answer. Now verify the plane, this centroid. 7 into x, this is 143, plus 11 into 91 plus 13 into 77 is equal to 3003. Now here 7 into 143 is 1001, plus 11 into 91 is 1001, plus 13 into 77 is 1001, and this is 1001 is equal to 3003, and this point is lies on this plane, and this is the centroid of the triangle A by C. Now the answer is 143 comma 91 comma 77. Okay, write down. Plane divides the join of 2 comma 3 comma 1 and 6 comma 7 comma 1 in the ratio is now first option is 3 root 7, and the second option is 2:7, third option is minus 3:7, and fourth option is minus 2:7. Now here XOZ plane is, the ratio is minus y1:y2. Now here this is x1 y1 z1, and this is x2 y2 z2. Now this is minus y1. Now here minus 3:y2 7. So option is third. Okay. Collinear with 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 3 and 2 comma 0 comma 0 among the following is, first option is 0 4 6, and the second option is 0 minus 4 5, and the third option is 0 minus 4 minus 6. Now here first the 2 points, find the dias. The dias of the joining the points is 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 3, and 2 comma 0 comma 0 is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, and z2 minus z1, and this is 1. Now here x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. Now this is x2 minus x1, this is 1, and y2 minus y1, 0 minus of minus plus 2, and z2 minus z2, this is now, and 2 comma 0 comma 0, and the following the point 0 comma minus 4 comma minus 6, the equal dias. Okay, now here 0 minus 2, this is x2 minus x1. Now here minus 2 comma minus 4 minus 0, minus 4 comma minus 6, and this is identically equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now here, now the dias are equal. This is the among the following, the point is 0 comma minus 4 comma minus 6. Now the 3 points are collinear points. Okay, now write down. If OA is equally inclined, OX comma OY comma OZ, and if A is root 3, units from the origin, then A coordinate is, first option is 3 comma 3 comma 3, and second option is minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1, and third option is minus 1 comma 1 comma 1, and the fourth option is 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now here O is the origin, O 0 comma 0 comma 0, and this is now the A coordinate is, find out the options. Oh, this is O, A is root 3, units from origin. Now this is OA is equal to root 3. Now the answer is 1 1 1. Now find out O is the origin, O 0 comma 0 comma 0, and this is 1 comma 1 comma 1. OA is a plane divides the line segment joining minus 3 comma 4 comma 2 minus 2, and this is 2 comma 1 comma 3 is. Now the ratio in which the YZ plane is plane, or in the ratio is minus x1 is to x2. Now here minus of minus 3 is to x2. This is 3 is to 2. Okay, now the answer is 3 is to 2. Write down. See the midpoints in a triangle ABC, the midpoints of the sides AB comma BC comma CA are respectively L comma 0 comma 0, 0 comma M comma 0, and 0 comma 0 comma n. Then AB square plus BC square plus AC square by L square plus M square plus N square is equal. Now the answer is 2. First option is 2, second option is 4, third option is 8, fourth option is 16. Now here L comma 0 comma 0 and 0 comma M comma 0 and 0 comma 0 comma N are the midpoints of the sides, AB comma BC comma AC. Now AB square is equal to 4 of M square plus N square, and BC square is equal to 4 of L square plus N square, and AC square is equal to 4 of L square plus now this is AB square is equal to L square plus M square. Now here AB square plus AB square plus BC square plus AC square is equal to 8L square plus 8M square plus 8N square, and this is AB square plus BC square plus AC square by L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 8. Okay, now the answer is third option is 8. Now this is the important bit in this chapter. Okay, write down. The perimeter of the triangle, with vertices at 1 comma 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 0 comma 1 is, the option is, first option is 3, second option is 2, third option is root 2, fourth option is 3 root 2. Now this is now here A is 1 0 0, B is 0 1 0 and C is 0 0 1, and this is AB is the distance between AB is root 2, and distance between BC is root 2, and this is distance between AC is root 2. Now the perimeter of the triangle is equal to perimeter of the triangle is equal to root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2, and this is 3 root 2. So answer is 3 root 2. Okay,